If you ran an underwater research facility, there might be a few more sharks around than in the average office or factory. But some things wouldn't be so different to working in other sectors. For starters, you might need to work with external partners or providers to achieve certain goals. Like building a new submarine, for example. You could give it a go yourself, but it might be better to work with someone who knows how to build a sub that's actually waterproof. Working with external people with expertise can give your business a boost. But you need to make sure everybody understands what's expected of them. Everyone involved also needs to be confident that there's nothing fishy about the arrangement. And that's where commercial contracts come in. Whether you're providing a service or bringing someone in to work or provide products, you need to understand commercial contracts. This course will show you what to consider before creating a contract. It'll explain the clauses that need to be included and some different types of contracts. Things will be going swimmingly for you and your business partners in no time.